Anything yields to you only to the extent you pay attention to it. In this aspect, breath is a beautiful device to practice attention. Attention not for a specific purpose, simply to be attentive. Right now in the background, you are hearing some sounds of music and dance practice going on. Here at Isha Samskriti, these children from the age of 6 to 18, 12 years, they're completely soaked in these arts, paying absolute attention to this. And then you will see how these arts will yield to them. They are at a different level of function altogether. This goes for everything. Whether you're an artist, you're a scientist, you're a spiritually oriented person, you're a business person, or you're just living your life in terms of your family, your love, your joy, all these things will yield to you only because you have paid sufficient attention to it. Human attention can open just about any door in the universe. But to be able to be attentive without purpose, without calculating the results, just to be attentive, to make life force into an attentive process, well, people's attention is off and on. And always, if I pay this attention, what will I get? No. Attention gets you life and deeper life. If you want your life to be profound, if you want to experience various dimensions of life, you need to pay attention. Human attention is a powerful force. Your attention can be just of the mind, or you can engage your whole body in your attention. If you want to, if you need to understand this, if you watch a tiger or a leopard or a cheetah crouching for its hunt, you will see he is not only paying mental attention, his entire body is attentive, is focused, the energies are focused. So if you engage your body, your energies into the mental attention, suddenly this attention becomes a tremendous force which makes variety of aspects of life to yield to you. Life yields to you only to the extent that you are able to create the power of attention. The power of human attention is an incredible force. You have to learn with necessary practice to unleash this force to your benefit and to everybody's benefit. It's my wish and my blessing. You must know the incredible power of human attention.